Alright, I had her completely set up for a run on the track today. I had to take off the front guide bogies because the turns of my track are a little too short. I got her up to steam, went to give her a push, and that's when I noticed the cylinder had come off. So I'll have to resolder it. Looks like that is the freshest soldering joint on here, so somebody already attempted to fix this once in the past, and it did work for a while. And I might have got it too hot, even though I did cap off 3 out of the 6 burners rather. But we'll be running the train today.